Welcome back. Now you are familiar with the basic definitions and the difference between a vector and a scalar quantity, and we learned about the different types of vectors, which are merely variation to the general definition of the vector. It's time to begin with the vector algebra. Let's start. As we learned, the vector algebra is different from the basic arithmetics that we are familiar with. The reason is back to linear algebra. The vectors are not the same field as the scalars. But don't worry, you don't have to know any linear algebra, and if needed, we will definitely cover the topic. So let's start with the fun. The basic operations in vector algebra is additions and subtractions of vectors. Let's start with addition. Suppose A and B are two vectors. Choose A as a point that A equals to OA, and choose the C point as B equals to AC. So the sum of the two vectors are defined as A plus B equals to C, such that the C vector is OC. This is the graphical definition of the vector summation. I call it triangle sum. Just go with the vector direction and do the addition. Start from point O and go with the direction of the vector. From point O to A and check if the next vector is in the positive direction. And add it to the next one. It's an easy way to understand the vector addition. In the next lecture, you will learn the subtraction of vectors. See you at the next one.